Delta 104, there is a fire in your wing, okay? Wing. Meia-noite vai manter a posição, o Delta que decolou agora estava com fogo na asa e tem fogo na pista também agora, vai aguardar um pouco aí. Tá sim, tá 369. Delta 104, the fire rescue is right behind you. Are you still showing the fire? Say, are you still showing the fire? We cannot see it, let me ask you to the fire workers. Are they on this frequency? No, they are not on this frequency. What frequency are they on? An E8F frequency, you cannot reach them. It has to be through me. Okay, I need to know if they're still seeing a fire. I guess that's just stand by. Delta 104, where is fire rescue? Tower Delta 104. Delta 104, there is no fire. They cannot see fire. They are right behind you. Okay, confirm no fire. Please confirm no fire. It's a starting fire on the landing gear. Okay, are they fighting the fire? Are they fighting the fire? No, not yet. I need to know when they're fighting the fire. Okay, I'll let you know. It's on the left side of your landing gear. Okay, are you showing flames from the engine or the landing gear? On the landing gear. Okay, are they fighting the fire? Are they spraying on the landing gear? We are not fighting the fire yet. I'm just checking. Stand by. Tower Delta 104 needs to know if they're fighting fire.